So this is our kind of our cool customized handbrake handle. We use this handle in all the in a lot of the cars. Mostly all the blown cars get it, but we have them in nitrous cars and turbo cars too. This is a very nice way to control the braking system on the car, either with or without a brake pedal. But this handle is kind of unique because we redesigned a lot of stuff with it. So this is a 5/16 thick aluminum handle, 6061. It's very durable, but yet it can still be formed a little bit, because a lot of times in these cars the quarters are tight and you've got to move around a few things. So you can still bend this, you can shape this. And when we do this, we hardly ever leave these straight. We'll always put a little bit of a bend in these. So this material is bendable. It's already pre-machined and pre-fit to accept our lower handbrake pivot point. So the holes are in it, the notches in it. It's got a really cool scallop along the edge. We redesigned the grip area to make the grip really nice and fit your hand tight. And we've also come up with these really bitchin' carbon fiber grips. So this is kind of with our association with Velocity, we have the ability to do lots of cool stuff like this. So we just made a nice thick plate of carbon and then machined that out at the same time. So you'll see that fits exactly to the aluminum grip, and it's nice and sturdy and thick, and it feels good. And then along with that, we created this fuel shut-off lever. So this is going to be the mechanical link to hook a cable to shut the fuel pump off. So under normal operation, this is going to be like this, and the cable, there'll be another hole down here where the cable mount is attached to, and then it'll come up and have a rod end hooked to this hole here. So when you're at the finish line and you want to shut the fuel off, you'll just squeeze this, and then that's going to fit exactly in there. So during the run, it'll be in this position, and you'll be able to use this, and then at the end, you just reach down and grab the whole thing and squeeze it at the same time, and all this lines up and it still feels exactly the same. So really cool little piece. The guy spent a lot of time getting the machining all down on it nice, and it's got a nice radius here around this fuel shutoff, so there's no sharp edges and it feels good to your grip. You can kind of see the approximate location of that one in this display chassis, but it's going to mount the same. It's just kind of a revised version of it, and it's a nice clean design, and it's got some cool extra machining points on it too, just to make it look cool.